Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Andreas Watts, and in this Shopify tutorial I will teach you how you can create a drop-down menu in your Shopify store. Alright, so let's do this. Okay everyone, so I hope you have an awesome day today. And in this Shopify tutorial I will teach you how you can create a drop-down menu in your Shopify store. So I will teach you two different ways. You can either have one level from the menu item, or you can have two levels, like one level and you will have the other level under this level, so you can see them in the menu. So we're gonna check it out how it's gonna look at the end of this video. So to do this, just go to visit admin. So this is the back end of your Shopify store. I have created three different examples of products. I have created two examples of collections and also two examples of pages for you. So to create the drop-down menu, let's go to navigation. Okay, so first we're gonna have a look at main menu, and so just click on main menu. Alright, so here we have the main menu. We got home, catalog, contact us. Okay, so you can use collections, you can use pages, you can use products in your drop-down menu. Okay, so first we're gonna do this one, catalog. We're gonna add a collection and products under this collection. Alright, so to do this, just click on add menu item. You can just click right here, search or paste a link. Choose collections. We're gonna choose collection number 1. Okay, you can also add a tag, then click on add. Okay, so you see these 6 dots, just click there and drag the collection up under catalog and one step to the right and release. Okay, so now we have the collection under catalog, and you can see that you can add more items under catalog right here instead of clicking here and drag it up and one step to the right. Okay, so I'm just gonna add another catalog. Like that, then click on add. So in catalog number 2, we're gonna create two levels. So just click on add menu item. Select collections, collection 2. You can add a tag if you want. Click on add. Okay, so drag this to the right, like that. If you want to add more under catalog, just click right here. But now we want to have products under collection. Just click on add menu item. Click right here, choose products, product number 1, click on add, and now click on the 6 dots and move it under collection and one step to the right. Okay, so now you see we have another one, add menu item to collection 2. So instead of clicking add menu, drag it up and one step to the right. You can now just click right here and add other products. So number 2, click on add, choose another one, products, and number 3, click on add. Okay, I'm just gonna move contact us to the bottom like that, then click on save menu. Okay, so let's go and have a look. So now we have catalog number 1, catalog number 2. So catalog number 1 looks like this. We only have one level. Collection number 1 with all the products. I don't have any products right now, but when you add them, they will end up right here. Then we can go to catalog number 2. So as you can see, we now have the collection right here, but you can also click on the products under the collection. Alright? So this is 2 ways you can do it. Okay everyone, so this is how you create a drop-down menu in 2 ways. If you want, you can let me know what you want to use. If you want to do 1 level or 2 levels, just let me know in the comments below. It would be awesome. Okay everyone, so this was a helpful tutorial on how to create a drop-down menu in your Shopify store. If you want, you can give thumbs up, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed already, just click on this image to subscribe. And don't forget to check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image. Okay everyone, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.